Hey guys, so me and my friend here, he's pretty sure he's sad right now because we're trying to record a minute one video because there's an area in the cave where there's a mimic. There's like if you get stuck in that area that you can't get out, it's fine. We're not gonna go down in there, okay? And what we're doing is we're gonna be Animal Company, the cage, and the cage area with any OG items like those items, subscribers, flashlights, crossbows. Flashlight, I'm gonna do a list of things. Bro, you said crossbows weren't allowed earlier. And you just said crossbows. What? Oh, sorry, I keep on saying crossbows instead of crowbars, sorry. But yeah, I messed that up. I meant crowbars, but here's a list of stuff that were allowed in the rules. But yeah, but pause it to read. It's just gonna be all the OG items, but still, just read it. Say, yeah, like this. Anyway, yeah, pause to read. All right, so let's go. We don't need a crowbar because we're not gonna be breaking crates, but we do need it to kill Armstrong because he's glitched, so we can get past him. And also, if you decide to leave a hate comment because there's snow and the old caves layout, the caves layout isn't old, we literally cannot control that. We're not the developers.
The only thing we can no, actually, this new caves layout is actually the old caves layout. It's like the oldest caves layout because, well, not really, but it's the old anglerfish cave layout. So it technically is an OG one.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, it is. I remember that. And so yeah, me and my friend are just gonna use these fireworks to get to that area easier because the stupid ogre or giant or troll,
whatever you call it, giant mossy looking.
The ogre's right there. The ogre's right there.
Hide behind a rock.
He's right at rock spawn.
Hide behind a rock.
I'm hiding behind a tree.
Bro, he's going into it.
What? Are you serious?
No, he's turning back. Oh, he saw me. He saw me. Go! He saw us. We're alive.
Dude, he saw me. He literally grabbed me even though I was behind a tree.
Oh my god.
Actually, what are we gonna do?
I'm gonna kill him. You can be right, can't you? It's not much money, is it?
Yeah, we're so bad.
What did you put in that?
Everything was still. Are you serious? Like he actually went to the cave?
No, he went over the mountain, but he returned. Okay, I killed the ogre and left any remains of that he was dead, so that we can go.
We can go. He died.
Yeah, I killed him. Uncut to the part where, uncut to the part where we get to the cave.
Alright, I'm gonna uncut here. Alright, editor Micah, uncut here. Hold my future stuff to do. I guess. By the way, we don't have to see rules because they'll be on the list. Like, they'll know that we can't do crates and that we can't do that.
I'm pretty sure that that looting method is in the old days too, so we can do that, I guess. Like it was a feature back then, but not many people knew about it. OG.
Alright, get the things. Actually,
you can get those. I'll get the important ones.
Looting is fun, it's just annoying whenever you die.
For real.
There's like...
Okay, so remember what I said, don't get close to Mimic.
All the way to the regular toolbar, it should say duplicate and select like a clip or audio.
Maybe you can teach me that later. I don't understand that.
Yeah.
I'll go away a minute. You're right where they need to be.
Oh my... But he's not the... He's like less aggressive. He's the less aggressive one.
We're gonna have to go the wall route through chicken.
He's gonna chase us to the...
No, it can't
Oh,
go
yeah,
through
we
the
can
obstacle. We're gonna have to go wall bounce through chicken if he's camping. Oh, get away, get away, get away, get away, get away, get away. We can go, 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 go. Did you die?
No, Mimic's after me. Mimic just part. Mimic. I'm dead, I'm dead, I'm dead.
Damn it.
Never mind, I'm good, I'm good.
Oh.
I ran all the way to the entrance of the cave because Mimic was attacking me, bro. Come back to the entrance of cave. Wall bounce over rock guy and dog
I can't.
going out of cave and Mimic was shooting right there.
What the hell is up with this kind of cola?
He's angry at something. Oh crap, Mimic's right with me. Dude, Mimic almost killed me, but he does.
Oh, come on!
Run!
How? Run!
I know, out here, it's
Go
safe.
back, go back, go back.
No, just run out here, it's safe here.
What is that mimic on?
I'm cutting the entire part where we do cave. Come on, I'm gonna put a text here. Okay, actually no, I'm just gonna explain. So, I'm gonna cut the part where we do cave, because the mimic keeps on getting in here. We have to get rid of him somehow, run him away. Or, another thing is we also have to dodge the chicken, get over rock guy. And that bomb thing, this hitbox sucks right now, and it just keeps on exploding like him, so. Yeah, I'm just gonna cut this entire part so I don't have to cut through like 30 minutes of footage.
Like, the editing is just so... Like, the editing would just be so bland. Wouldn't it?
Yeah, for 30 minutes of... Because like I need to edit like kind of constantly to keep the viewer like you know, it's...
Yeah. No!
I swear if that mimic gets mad, I'm bringing... Thing. We need a bomb. Let's just open the crate. I don't care. Not recording. We can do whatever we want.
Yeah.